It is a great experience being here at Roots International School. I'm first time visiting Pakistan and the schools here, and I'm very impressed by the work which the teachers, the school coordinators, the whole school team is putting together, and of course the students who are so motivated to learn German language. And we have been seeing so many nice programs which have been put up together here. All these programs are helping the children to know about different cultures, different perspectives. They had exchange programs with students from South America as well, and this is what is important for our students who are growing up in the global society, that they have the opportunity to interact and to exchange their ideas on different topics and use the languages as a bridge to different cultures. Thank you so much for inviting me, and it was a pleasure being here. Thanks.